my child. Hi everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. I'm sorry. This is literally such a preposterous video. I've seen a few other YouTubers do this. Most notably that I can remember is Trixie Mattel did this, and I just thought it was so funny. I've been wanting to do my own little spin on it for quite some time, and I thought, cake sounds good, so let's do it now. See, and I'm acting now like this didn't take months of planning to get it all prepared and get it confirmed with all these bakeries, but you don't need to know about all that. So today we are reviewing 3 different types of baked good at drastically different prices with one common denominator. They are of my face. The conversations that had to take place to get custom cakes made of my face are so humiliating. I can't even explain. But for some reason, watching people review cakes that look like them is incredibly entertaining, and I want to be part of the fun. I've dabbled a little bit in baking on this channel. I've made a few cake related videos. The one that comes to mind is when I imitated Bakeries and had my mom review them, but it wasn't actually Bakeries, I actually made them. So we're diving back into the cake and baking realm. So to the people who enjoy cake videos, I hope you love this. To the people who don't, I hope it'll still be entertaining. So we're gonna start with the first one. This one I would like to classify as small but mighty. And I'm gonna say each bakery that I got these from, but these weren't sponsored in any way. I paid out of pocket for all of these cakes. They weren't gifted or anything. So the first bakery is Izzy's Cake Pops, and I got a cake pop of my face pop. So for these, we went for vanilla, and they were each $4.50 US per cake pop. I have no idea what these are gonna look like. It could go terribly wrong, or it could go terribly right. I'm not sure. This feels like the most narcissistic thing I have ever done in my entire life. Grab the cake pop of my face. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. Okay, put it in my hands. Is it in a thing?
It's in a cellophane.
Okay. Oh my gosh! Oh, it's so cute! That is so good! Chip's like, everybody's excited.
Oh my god.
Oh my, I can't believe that somebody made this. What do you guys think? Does it look like me? I feel like they did a really good job. Oh my gosh, look at me. Can you even tell that it's not me? I should just do a video like this.
Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing a very exciting...
And then I go like this. Hello?
Hello?
Who are you?
I'm the owner of this house.
To be honest, we didn't want to just call in one cake pop order because we felt like it wasn't worth the bakery's time. So we ordered quite a few of these. And when I ordered them, I didn't think they were going to make them all of my face. I thought it was going to be only one of my face and then a bunch of just cake pops. But I think they might all be of my face. They are all of my face. Like, there's something really weird about all of those looking like me. They're all a little bit different, and they're all so good. It's like me at different points in the day. Also, can I add that this is a weird request, I feel like, and they did not bat an eye at it. We reached out to a lot of bakeries, and a lot of bakeries turned down this project, so they seemed unbothered about it. I'm gonna like bite my head off. Here we go. Ready, set, go. You're funfetti!
Mm. Oh, hey!
Where's vanilla? Mine's funfetti?
Mine is vanilla.
Not a tough day at work today.
So fresh and flavorful.
Something about like this fondant on the outside is actually good. And I get $4.50 US for a cake pop. It seems kind of pricey, but at Starbucks, I feel like they're near the same price, and it isn't made of your face.
Right?
That's a steal of a deal.
And I was just at that theme park the other day, and they were $7 US for a cake pop. So
this is like the most crazy, funny, almost like birthday gift idea. Could you imagine going to a birthday party and it's just all cake pops of your face? Happy birthday. Flavor, 10. Look, 10. Price, honestly, deal.
insanely good.
Okay, now we are in the middle of the pyramid. This was from a bakery called Plumeria Cake Studio. This was more of a classic cake design. It was a sheet cake. And for this cake, we went for strawberry. And apparently this is gonna be made with real fresh strawberries. And it was $350 US. Now, originally when they quoted us for this specific cake, it was more like 200 US. But we wanted the prices to be more drastic in the video. So we said, if we pay a little bit more, could you add a little bit more detail and spend some extra time on this cake just to really zhuzh it up for the video? So it ended up being 350 US. Next, we are stepping up a level in price and size. Bring it in, Mom. Oh, it sounds heavy.
It is heavy.
I'm gonna look. Okay, set. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
That's not an edible decal. That's like hand painted on there.
Yeah, it's not printed, it's like painted. I'm overwhelmed at the talent. Oh my gosh. Isn't it awesome? The fact that a literal person working at a bakery spent hours doing this of my face. I mean, this is probably quite a few layers. So we got this in a strawberry cake with fresh strawberries on the inside, which is so exciting. Just remember the picture that we gave. This is exactly like the picture. I can't do it. I can't cut into this.
I can't do it.
It smells so fresh. And look at, they even put the little candies on the outside just to zhuzh it up.
They went above and beyond.
100%.
Okay, you guys, I'm gonna cut, I guess, into my eye. Oh my gosh, it's strong. Oh, this is so weird.
Oh, I feel sad seeing you stabbing at it like that.
I feel sad too. That's kind of the sad part about baking art, because it gets eaten. Whereas like normal art doesn't, it gets displayed. But you know, cake art and baking art, it has to get destroyed to be enjoyed.
Look how pretty that is. Look how perfect that is. That's amazing.
I feel like so spoiled, I'm like, my head is spinning.
Right? Oh my word. Okay,
ready?
here we go.
Here we go, tink. Wow.
Beautiful. The strawberry is just right.
Strawberry is not a flavor I would usually choose. I was mainly really excited to see the pink, but oh my gosh, that is so pleasant.
That is a good cake.
This is a great cake.
They nailed this. They're just having a taste, eating the whole piece.
I mean, this is so fun.
That's good cake.
That looks just like me. In
Like,
that photo especially,
yeah.
every detail is the same.
It looks good, tastes good. I don't know how they could have done that better.
Now, we are at the top of the pyramid. Most expensive cake I've ever gotten in my entire life. $3,000 US. Also, this is probably a good time to mention that none of this cake is going to be wasted. Rest assured, we are gonna make sure this cake gets into the hands of people who want to eat it.
For anyone who was curious, we ended up finding a really great place that was excited to take the cakes. It was a place in California that helps people overcome homelessness. My dad ended up taking them there, and it was a really nice experience. Apparently there were kids running around and they were asking whose birthday it was because they were getting all excited about the cakes. So I'm super happy that they weren't wasted because they were so tasty and so delicious. I'm happy someone could enjoy them.
So this was from Cinderella Cakes, and it is going to be a legit life-size sculpture of my face. And it's no surprise, for the biggest cake, we went for chocolate cake with cookies and cream filling. They sent me this avatar cake that they had made as an example of what they could do, and I was like, that's perfect. Now, one thing I will say, these custom cakes can get more expensive like this. We got quite a few quotes from different bakeries too. Cakes can get really expensive, and you just gotta remember how much time and effort goes into making a cake. Like, the details are so precise, and they have to charge fairly for what they're doing, you know? If it takes them 80 hours to make it, these prices make sense. I'm excited about all of them, but this is the one I am highly anticipating seeing. Like, what is it gonna look like? Drum roll on this one. I'm genuinely afraid. My mom has to carry it in here. The unthinkable could happen. She just referenced the fact that it literally could.
You know what I'm gonna do when I go in? I'm just gonna go quickly, without looking too hard, snap a picture in case the unfortunate happens and I drop it by accident.
This is probably gonna be the most insane cake ever. For me anyways. Bring it in. Why are you laughing?
Because it's so heavy.
Oh no.
It's literally
Oh my gosh, be careful.
Oh my word.
I'm
Is
scared.
this on a marble slab or what?
Oh, I thought that was the sound of it dropping. Holy crap, it is heavy. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh! Right. Oh, that's insane. Stop.
Right?
Oh my gosh. That is insane. By the way, you guys, I'm so upset because I meant to bring this exact sweater so I could wear it in this video, but I forgot. I'm so mad about it. It's all right. Also, I'm flattered because they think my eyes are green. I appreciate it. Okay, let me look. I gotta spin you around. Wow. That nose, like that is my nose. Those are my eyebrows.
I can't believe that's cake.
Ooh, it's kind of scary when you look right into your own eyes. I swear the camera's not even focusing on me anymore. It's focusing on the cake. Like I need to like cover this face so you guys can see my face. The cake is seriously taking all of the light. You know how usually I'm like a sheet of paper and I take all the light? The cake is a little bit more pale than me. Are you taking my thing? You just took my gig. Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very... Actually, I want to see how heavy it is. This is a risky business. Oh my gosh. It's like 50 pounds.
Right? It's so heavy.
Oh my goodness.
Like, that's a lot of cake.
That's a lot of cake. They really killed it. And they did give me a warning. They were like, it's not gonna look like real people. It's gonna look like the cartoon version of you. I think it looks like real people.
Like, if I do a quick take, it looks like a real person.
Mom, which one's me? Which one? Hello, me and my child. I really think this is cool too. Like the sweater, they have like a perfect knitted fondant. And the hair, like I feel like I'm looking behind myself. Like this is what the back of my head looks like. It's really funny to me to think about like an entire like squad at a bakery working on this. Just being like, who is this person even? Oh my gosh, I feel like it's gonna be thick because it'll probably be held in with dowels. There's something really messed up about this. There's something really messed up. I'm getting caked up.
Right?
Literally. All right, chocolate with cookies and cream.
Oh my gosh. That is a great cake.
That is so fluffy.
How is the cake so light and the whole thing so heavy?
That is such a good question.
I'm eating myself. You cannibal.
I really like how thick the icing is. See that layer of white? Like it's nice, thick cake to icing ratio.
It's amazing.
This was like so long awaited and it just lived up to it so majorly. Here's my little nose. Look at my little nose.
It's like one thing to sculpt a person's head, but another thing to have it taste good
So
and
good.
decorate it to look nice. I would like to see like a time lapse of all the steps
Me
that went
too.
into making
Like,
that.
are there dowels in here? Oh my goodness. By the way, yes, that is my mom's arm. We have nothing to stick the cake pop into, so she's taking one for the team right now. Holding up the cake pop for the outro. So that has been incredibly tasty. We have 3 different cakes in 3 different styles from 3 drastically different price points. They were all amazing. I gotta admit, me and my mom had a ton of fun making this, but I really hope you guys also enjoyed watching it. Make sure to click the subscribe button if you haven't already. I have like a statistic that a lot of people are continually watching, but they're not subscribing. So if there's anything I can do to entice you to subscribe, let me know down below, or just click the subscribe button to let me know. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna utilize the second angle here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Well, I guess I better get cutting and cleaning up. Wait a minute. Are you alive?